Soy burgers are a great plant-based alternative to meat burgers. Let's see how to prepare them with an Italian twist. Ingredients: 200 grams of granular soy or soy flakes, 1 carrot, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, parsley, breadcrumbs, 1 egg, to be replaced with a flax egg for a vegan version, salt and pepper, extra virgin olive oil, and spices to taste such as paprika, turmeric, and cumin. Begin by rehydrating the granular soy according to the instructions on the package, which usually involves soaking it in hot water for a few minutes. While the soy is rehydrating, finely chop the carrot, onion, and garlic. Then, in a pan with a bit of oil, sauté the onion and garlic mixture until it becomes translucent. Then, add the carrot for a few more minutes. Drain the soy and squeeze it well to remove the excess water. In a large bowl, combine the soy, sautéed vegetables, chopped parsley, the egg or substitute, salt, pepper, and chosen spices. Mix well all the ingredients until you get a homogeneous mixture. Add enough breadcrumbs to get a moldable mixture. If the mixture is too moist, add more breadcrumbs. If it is too dry, a bit of water or another egg or substitute. With moistened hands, form burgers of the preferred size and let them rest in the fridge for about 30 minutes so they firm up. Heat a pan with a bit of oil and cook the soy burgers for about 5 minutes per side until the desired golden color is achieved. Serve the soy burgers in a bun with the addition of condiments as desired, such as lettuce, tomato, vegan mayonnaise, and ketchup. Remember to subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our content and visit our website for other delicious recipes. Soy has been incorporated into Western diets as a plant-based protein alternative. Originating from Asia, it has been widely adapted in kitchens around the world for its ability to replicate the typical textures of animal food, as in the case of burgers, but also for its nutritional properties, making it particularly suitable for vegetarian and vegan diets.